Watch where you're going. You like riding your bike?
Yes, ma'am. I know where this way.
Okay.
That was close. Look at the funny birds. Mom, look at the funny birds.
Where?
I knew it. Ooh, they're really funny. They're just hanging around.
I don't see any funny birds. Okay, let's turn around and go the other way. Turn around. Pedal. Nope, did not know that.
Huh?
I did not know that.
Right there where my mom lives, that's used to be Decatur High School.
Really?
The stadium was off the entire park.
There was a bug trying to get my hair.
What happens?
Everything got help on.
Mom, what got in my hair?
What, Kira?
What got in my hair?
I don't.
What kind of bug?
Probably a. I don't know. Watch where you're going because you're about to run into a table. Go around it.
Okay.
I have feelings this may end bad.
What?
Tight spaces.
Hey,
You gotta watch where you're going, Kira. You're gonna go in the grass and then you're gonna go in the river.
what's that?
Baby, if she couldn't get up that hill, I doubt she's gonna be able to jump through her.
Just let me have this.